Is inflation bullish for gold and silver? In his groundbreaking book, The Socionomic Theory of Finance, Robert Prechter shows you 13 market myths which steer investors in the wrong direction. Most investors believe these concepts are true simply because they've been repetitively stated as such over the years. But extensive research reveals why these market myths are just that, myths. You can read them all for free by following the link below. First, I want to show you one of these myths, which has to do with the idea that inflation is bullish for gold and silver. The general reasoning behind this belief is that an expanding supply of fiat dollars, in other words inflation, decreases the value of each dollar. Thus, headlines like these are common. Gold rises for third consecutive day on stronger than expected inflation data, or silver falls 2% as inflation continues to decline. Yet the Socionomic Theory of Finance reveals an eye-opening fact. Out of a total history of 82 years of persistent monetary inflation, gold and silver rose for 20 of them. For 62 of those years, they went sideways or down. During the inflationary period from 1934 to 1968, gold investors were sorely disappointed as the performance of the precious metal ranked among the worst. On the other hand, gold and silver did skyrocket during the inflationary 1970s. This chart and commentary from the book reveal more insights. Inflation continued from January 1980 to April 2001, during which time the money supply nearly tripled. But gold and silver lost a stunning 83% of their combined value during those 21 years. Inflation continued from 2001 forward, and gold and silver had a huge bull market into 2011. Then lost over half their combined value through 2015, all while inflation persisted. The combined value of gold and silver at year-end 2015 was below its high of 1980. Of course, Robert Prechter provided this analysis as he was writing The Socionomic Theory of Finance. Since this landmark book published, gold went on to reach a new all-time high. Yet interestingly, the yellow metal did so well after a surge in inflation had peaked. This is only one of the 13 market myths that you will find as you access chapters 1 and 2 of the Socionomic Theory of Finance for free by following the link below this video.